Okay, here we have a Clausing 20-inch bench-mounted drill press. It's 115 volt, 1.5 horsepower. It's unused. It has some shipping distress. And we're going to show you that right now. Down here, the casting broke off from the main piece right here. Okay. So that probably have to be replaced. That is part of your speed control, your speed dial control, which does not operate at this time. Also, the handles were broken off, and two of the handle studs are still in here, one here and one on the bottom. This one's free. And the belt pulley guard is slightly bent here, but it does operate. We're going to fire it up real briefly just to show you that it does operate. Alright, so it's kind of stuck on one speed. So you're going to have to repair this part right here in order to get the variable speed controls to operate. All the other functions operate. Your up and down for your quill. Overall, it's in pretty good shape mechanically, except for that part right there. And we thank you for looking at our product.